Welcome back, YouTubers. This is Roger with Gateway Cycles back here again, and I've got a new machine for you today. This is a 2013 Yamaha V-Star Deluxe 1300. Got about 20,000 miles on it. Let's do a quick walk around. Nice blue color. Great looking fairing on this machine. I really like the shape of that. Really aerodynamic, really sleek looking. Kind of a bit Art Deco too with that front headlight. We got the famous Yamaha V-Star motor. There's absolutely no issues with those motors. They're fantastic. Lockable saddlebags, pretty wide too. Good looking machine, and let's get a shot of the dash here. Looks like we got 2243, and well, we might as well fire it up, shouldn't we? Purrs like a kitten. Guys, come on down here to beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky and visit us here at Gateway Cycles, or you can check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles. Don't forget about our Facebook page, Gateway Cycles. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button at the end of the video here. Lets us know that you're liking the videos, and we'll try to get more out to you. Thanks for watching.